Thought I'd kind of do a little shop update. It's 1st of July, or towards the 1st. I think it's actually the 8th, 2024. This is going to be our first undertaking of basically rebuilding transmission. This is a 4L60E out of a '06, I believe, GMC Envoy with a 5.3 V8 in it. There really wasn't anything wrong with the tranny. We upgraded the camshaft on it, and we purchased a 2000 stall converter for Monster Transmissions, and as of this point I'm pretty disappointed in it. It didn't last very long. I am an automotive technician, as you can probably see by trade, and there was a noise. It sounded like a pump noise. Now this is the inside of the housing for the fluid pump for it. Now all this will be cleaned up and reassembled. It did damage. I don't know if it'll show up in the... It did run trash through and got in all the frictions. Now they're not smoked. This is a very, very close friend of mine, so he knew better than to keep driving it when it started acting up. But the initial complaint or concern when it was installed to go along with the camshaft upgrade was it had what I consider a pump noise or a like noise only in gear. And so, we didn't know if that was indicative of a Monster converter. They built that one for us for this application, and it definitely let go immediately. And this is the damage that it caused. Some of our hard parts look okay. You can see those gear sets, planetaries there. There's 2 sets of those in there. They seem to be okay. We're going to go through the valve body on it as well. Kind of got things set up. But this is going to be our project for the next, I don't know, probably a week or so. See if we can't get the parts we need and get it reassembled. Got our building bench set up. We're going to keep getting it cleaned up. This is an Eastwood transmission teardown bench. Pretty neat bench. It's got a drain in it with a little bucket. It catches all the fluid as you tear it down, and then we're going to lay everything out and get it assembled. So that's pretty neat. Other thing is that's our Mr. Big. We've been waiting quite a while for side lockers, top box on the right side and a hutch on the left side. So that should be coming in here pretty quick. Pretty excited about that, kind of keeping the shop moving, improving each direction. You can see we do a little welding. I've got a little welding job that we're going to do. So just kind of an update on some of the projects going on. We still have the Gale, I think it's a 5635 skid steer in here. We're going to head to the dealership. We've got our manuals. I did a initial video on it, but we've got our manuals now, so we're going to see if we can get the seals hopefully we need and not spend a terrible amount of money on drive motors. See if maybe we can reseal them, get them set up. But the old shop's kind of coming along, coming together, doing a little transmission work, a little equipment work. Got Challenger lifts in here. I need to clean up my roll cart, but that's kind of what we got as of today. So when I get to watch this in the future, we'll kind of see how things have changed.